Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome on my channel. I know I am the best ambassador of my country, county and hometown, so that's the reason why I want to show you this town. Kęty is a small town located in southern of Poland. It's a city with over 740 years of history that combines rich tradition with modernity. The market square is the picturesque square that has been the center of city life for centuries. Surrounded by historic tenement houses, it has preserved its historic urban layout, which is a testimony to the rich commercial and cultural past of Kęty. Now you can see St. Margaret and Katerina Church and road towards Oświęcim. Oświęcim is a city which is a Auschwitz concentration camp located. Now you can see fountain and monument of St. John Kęty. He is the famous person which was born in our city. He is a saint of Catholic Church. So, it's time to change location. We're going to bus and train station. We have connections from Kęty by buses and trains to Bielsko-Biała. By the way, highly recommended city, it's called Little Vienna, Kraków, i Wadowice, city of born Pope John Paul II. From Old Town, we're going towards New Town. Population of town is around 20,000 of people. Kęty is a hub for aluminium production today. Kęty is known for its industrial development with Grupa Kęty SA, one of Europe's leading aluminium producer. It's headquartered here. Thank you for watching. I'm very proud for myself because it's my first movie recorded in English language. Please let me know what you think. If you want, please subscribe this channel and thank you so much for your attention. See you soon. Bye bye.